Muscles grow stronger with each movement. Enrichment environments help stimulate natural behavior. Inside one of the world's most advanced wildlife nurseries, a tiny life is about to begin. Soon it will be ready for a much larger world. By day 40, the transformation is incredible. Every egg is carefully monitored using high-precision technology to ensure the perfect environment. Temperature, humidity, and oxygen levels are controlled with incredible accuracy. After weeks of careful incubation, the first tiny crack appears. Day 0, the African Grey Parrot chick enters the world. At birth, the chick is fragile, blind, and completely dependent on care. Within just a few days, the chick begins growing rapidly. By the end of the first week, the earliest signs of feathers appear. Daily health scans help track every stage of development. Specialized caretakers provide carefully measured nutrition every few hours.
The once tiny hatchling now begins to show its personality.
By the end of the first week, the earliest signs of feathers appear. Upgrade to Super Grok. Every moment of growth is carefully documented. The wings slowly gain strength day by day. Weight checks ensure the chick is growing at a healthy rate. Curiosity begins to replace the fragile stillness of the early days. Weight checks ensure the chick is growing at a healthy rate. By week 4, the chick begins learning to perch. Solid foods slowly enter the diet. The first 40 days are only the beginning of a remarkable life.